Hello everyone, welcome back to the Rover YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to build a complete purchase order management system using Google Sheets, Google Apps Script and HTML with Bootstrap. This is not a basic project. This is a fully working real-world accounting system with supplier-based item selection, auto calculations, file attachments and full edit and delete functionality. So let's get started. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Okay, now let's go to the video. So this is our purchase order dashboard. There you can see all created purchase orders like this. There we have following columns inside my grid: purchase order number, date, supplier, total, and attached documents. In addition, we have a search bar, new PO button, and refresh button. Now let's create a brand new purchase order from scratch. Click on new PO like this. There you will notice PO number is auto-generated. Today's date is automatically filled. Supplier drop-down is dynamic from Google Sheets. Now I select a supplier like this. Once the supplier is selected, only that supplier's item appear in the item drop-down. This is powered by our AppScript backend. Then click on Add Item. Now watch carefully. When I select an item code, the description automatically fills. The unit price comes automatically. Quantity defaults to 1. The amount and total calculate instantly. So that is real-time automation. Now you can see we can add more items by clicking Add Item. So there you need to click Add Item again. I can add unlimited line items and the grand total always recalculates automatically. So here we have another option, very special option. So you can attach. So you can also attach invoices, quotations or delivery notes. Files are automatically uploaded to Google Drive and saved in a folder called PO Attachments. And a public view link is stored in the system like this. Finally, now click Save Purchase Order or click Save PO button. Data is stored in the PO. Data is stored in the POS sheet and as well as the PO items sheet. And if there is an attachment is saved to Google Drive and immediately appears in the live dashboard. Now I can click Edit on any purchase order. The full record loads: supplier, items, quantities, prices, attachments. So you can update anything and save again. And also it contains delete feature. So if I click delete, the PO is removed from the master sheet. All related items records are deleted. System remains fully clean and optimized. This system uses a special logic where each supplier has its own item list. Items are filled dynamically based on the selected supplier. No wrong item can be selected accidentally. This is exactly how professional ERP system work. Now let's go to the backend. Now let me quickly explain how the backend works. We use following functions. Get settings function. It loads supply and item data. Get POS function loads all. Save PO function saves PO plus item plus attachments. Delete POs or delete PO function deletes everything cleanly. Finally, upload attachment function. It uploads files to Google Drive. All of this is handled using pure Google App Script. So this system is perfect for small businesses, freelancers, import-export companies, accounting firms, inventory-based businesses. Actually, this is not a paid one or paid software, no hosting cost, fully cloud-based system. If you want this complete source code with front-end, back-end, Google Sheet template, then comment PO system below this video. If you found this tutorial useful, like this video, share with your friends. Subscribe to Rover for more powerful business automation projects. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next video. Thank you very much.